King Sam here, and this is Minutorial, a new show where I bring you After Effects tips and tricks in less than 2 minutes. So today we're going to talk about how to make the bounce animation. So now in After Effects here, we're just going to make a simple shape animation from one side here to another.
And I come to your pan behind two here, and let's move the anchor point holding down control to the bottom of our shape.
Now we're going to use a script to make this animation a whole lot better by going to the School of Motion website, and we're going to use this script right here on their website. I'm going to leave the link to the website in my video description. A big shout out to School of Motion. They have helped me in a lot of ways in my motion design journey. Now I'm going to copy the script, go to After Effects, Alt click the stopwatch and paste the script there. Now you have to tweak the number of bounces, you are going to tweak the gravity, and you're going to tweak the expansion. So for example, this is high gravity with low expansion, and this is low gravity with high expansion. There you have it, guys. What do you think about the script? What is your favorite script? Let me know in my comment section. Remember, like, share and subscribe if this video has helped you in any way, and I will really appreciate it. But in our next video, remember, improve every day, grow constantly, and dream endlessly.